Welcome to the video filters used for image restoration. In this we are going to discuss the filters used for image restoration. First is inverse filter and second is Wiener filter. Inverse filtration. It is based on the assumption that degradation was caused by a linear function h of ij. The additive noise nu is another source of degradation. It is further assumed that nu is independent of the signal. Applying the Fourier transform, we get the equation where the image g of uv is f of uv, that is the original image, into the degraded function h of uv plus n of uv. The degradation can be eliminated if the restoration filter has a transfer function that is inverse to the degradation function h of uv. The undegraded image f is derived from its degraded version g, and it can be done as given below in the equation. Here this g of uv is degraded function, degraded image. The Fourier transform, inverse Fourier transform of the function h is applied minus n of uv into again inverse transform. This will give you the original image f of uv. This equation shows that inverse filtration works well for images that are not corrupted by noise. If the noise is present and additive error occurs, its influence is significant for frequencies where h of uv has a small magnitude. These usually correspond to high frequencies u and v, and thus fine details are blurred in the image. The changing level of noise may cause problems as well as because small magnitudes of h of uv can cause large changes in the result. Inverse filter values should not be of zero value so as to avoid zero divides in above equation. Second is Wiener filtration. Inverse filtration gives poor results in pixels suffering from noise since the noise is not taken into account. Wiener filtration explores a priori knowledge about the noise and then processes. Restoration by the Wiener filter gives an estimate of original uncorrupted image f with minimal mean square error e square. So here e square is given where f cap is the estimate. Minimization of mean square error e square is easy if estimate f cap is linear combination of values in the image, and it is given as f cap of uv is equal to hw uv and g uv, where hw of uv is the Fourier transform of the Wiener filter, g of uv is the Fourier transform of degraded image. So the advantages of Wiener filters are: if the Wiener filter is used, the nature of degradation h and statistical parameters of the noise need to be known. Wiener filtration theory solves the problem of posteriori linear mean square estimate. All statistics, for example Power spectrum, should be available in advance. Note that the inverse filter discussed earlier is a special case of Wiener filter where noise is absent. From this, we can conclude that Wiener filter is the better filter for image restoration. Thank you for watching my video. Like the video, also subscribe the channel. Thank you.